In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a numbered list at 2 in Google Slides. This might seem like a simple task, but it's a neat trick that can be very useful for various presentation needs, such as continuing lists between slides, or starting off with a specific point. Let's dive into how you can do this smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to log into your Google Drive. This is where all your Google Slides presentations live. So get yourself signed in by typing your email and password, and then click Next. Once you're in, navigate through your Drive to find the presentation you wish to edit. If you're starting a new presentation, just go ahead and create a new Google Slides document. Now that you've opened your presentation, select the slide where you want to start your numbered list from 2 or any other number for that matter. With your slide selected, the next step is to focus on the specific text or area where you want your list to begin. Click on the text box where you intend to add your numbered list. Alright, here comes the somewhat tricky part. Look for the numbering list option at the top right of your screen. It's usually represented by an icon with numbers or bullets. This icon is what you'll use to create your list. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to start your list. But we're not starting our list at 1, are we? So here's how we deviate from the norm. Place your cursor on the number at the beginning of the list, which by default will be the number 1. Now instead of accepting this default, you're going to right click on that number. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for customizing your list. From the options presented, you want to select Restart Numbering. This might feel a bit counterintuitive since our list technically hasn't started yet, but trust me, it's the step you need to take to achieve our goal. Upon clicking Restart Numbering, a small dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter the number at which you wish to start your list. This is where you type in 2. It's as simple as that. You're telling Google Slides not to start this list at 1, but at 2, or whatever number you input here. To finish up, click OK to apply your changes. And voila, you've successfully started your numbered list at 2. But before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick additional tips. Remember that this method works for any number you wish to start your list at, not just 2. This can be incredibly handy for aligning content across different slides, or when adhering to specific formatting requirements for your presentation. And there you have it, folks. You now know how to start a numbered list at any number in Google Slides. This is just one of those little details that can make your presentation stand out or follow specific formatting rules. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to apply this knowledge the next time you're sprucing up your slides.